Sangailu ARP was started in the year 2013, and basically it is addressing one project only, and this is the Wash and Livelihoods project. The Wash and Livelihood project has two aspects. We are addressing their water issues and sanitation issues. In the past, women and children who are charged with the responsibility of fetching water for the family use and for livestock used to walk long distances and into dangerous places whereby children can easily meet wild animals. These animals are dangerous. They can even meet snakes as they draw the water from these dirty streams, and it is really a problem in this community.
For the last couple of years, these communities used to move their livestock with their children. So our school used to be on and off because of acute shortage of water, and that one is vital in life. In even a short drought, these communities were displaced, used to be displaced to go to the neighboring location in search of water.
Now for the water pan that we have done in Ege, there has been a lot of impact in this. You can see an increase in the number of children who are going to school. Women have also now been able to draw water nearer, clean water, good water, safe water for them as they use it now for their home consumption and even for their animals.
We used to walk to Handaro, 10 kilometers away, to get water. We are happy water is now near us and we can feed our children on time.
After the World Vision Kenya intervened and constructed a water bank, this community were never displaced. The number of the pupils in Ege Primary School now redouble, and we're expecting even to continue to redouble, because these people, some of them, they were just running away from these villages because of acute shortage of water. Now they are just coming one by one from other villages, coming to their residents, and we are now expecting the number of these pupils to continue redoubling.
If you try to compare this water pan that we have done as an organization and the ones that have been drawing from, you will see that the one that we have has clean water, very, very good water, and at the same time it has a filtration gallery in it, whereby now these animals and human beings draw this water at different points so that they do not meet as they used to do, because formerly they would all go into the same water pan at the same time. And then we have done also boreholes in this community so that we keep on alleviating the water scarcity here. The boreholes have not been very successful, but we are happy that at least now we have been able to drill water, but the levels of salinity are the ones which are high. Now, as we try to address the issues of high levels of salinity, we have to engage in systems of treating this water so that it can be potable for human beings. But this has been a challenge still further, because there has the treatment system is very expensive, and the resources available as of now cannot be able to cater for that. And that we are trying to concentrate more now on the water pans. In addition to the water pan that we have done, we are again proposing another site whereby we are going to excavate a bigger water pan than the one that we have done, and we hope that this water pan that we are proposing will be able to cater both also for human beings and for animals.
As we have agreed as people of Mare, it is good for us to build latrines.
Now for hygiene and sanitation, which is very low in this community, we have decided to train community health members. We have trained public health officers and officers from the Ministry of Health so that they can be able to conduct what we call community total lead sanitation triggering system so that these people are able to come up with their own facilities so that we don't have any contamination of feces into the water that we are going to use. This community is really appreciative of what World Vision donors have been able to do to this community. And that's why we want to appreciate, and we shall keep on supporting one another so that we achieve whatever we want to achieve in this community, especially as you consider these vulnerable children here. Without this support from donors, we could not have made the way it is today. So we sincerely want to thank you for donating unto us, and keep on donating unto us so that we can be able to reach more of the vulnerable children in these communities of Sangailu.
On behalf of the leadership of World Vision and the community of Sangairu, I take this opportunity to thank the donor, Mr. Middleton, for the support that he has given to this community so that the children can have access to water, sanitary and hygiene facilities. This has enabled them to have the opportunity to go to school, and it has also helped the community to benefit from having their livestock take the water. So their economic lifestyle has greatly improved with the support and donation of Mr. Middleton.